Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made my 2016 Ford Mustang sound like this. So what I got was a C and L bypass valve adapter on muscle.com. And you can also find them in other marketplaces with different color options. To install this, you have to locate the valve which is in front of your turbo. You'll need to remove 3 screws with an Allen key, pull the valve back,
I can only see your hand. Okay.
and install your valve adapter. Put your valve on top of your adapter and line up all 3 screw holes. With your package came 3 screws which are slightly bigger than the original. Screw those on. And that's it. It only takes about 5 minutes with the proper tools. I've had this adapter for about 6 months now and I haven't had any issues with it. It doesn't improve performance or diminish it. All it does is blow out unused air that usually would get recycled back into your engine. And if you decide to install it, have fun with it. It definitely has people's heads turning when you're driving by.